to Heavenly Classy Knits. In this tutorial, I would like to introduce to you my very own method of short rows that I call doubling method. I dedicate this method to all people who hate short rows like I do. And the reason why, for various reasons. First, it doesn't look neat to me, or it requires a lot of handling the fabric. For example, German method, it requires you to pull your stitch until it's pretty much goes upside down, then you put the yarn certain way, and it's just a lot of messing, and then it's hard. Sometimes you miss it and then you have to go back. So I don't like that. And however, other short methods have their own unique applications, and they're very useful too. However, doubling method does not require to have any more stitch markers or handling your yarn. You really don't ever miss the beat. You continue knit back and forth without really stopping or doing any much handling of your fabric or your working yarn. So let me show you how I do it. In this sample, I'm going to show you how I do short rows using doubling method. Supposedly your pattern is called to knit certain amount of stitches before you want it to turn around. So I'm going to knit to the place where I want to put my doubled stitch, supposedly right here. So what I do, I knit through the front loop, but I don't take it off. I simply take the loop that I just made and put it on the left needle, and I turn around. See, I have two loops right now. So let's purl back, and I'm gonna do it again. Now let's knit again to a certain place. Right here. This is where our double stitch, I will make another one right here. So I'm gonna knit through the front loop, but don't take it off. Put it right back on the needle and turn around. And then purl it back. Right there. Now let me show you how I pick that up. So as you can see, I have double stitches right here and right here. So really there are no tricks other than that you knit a regular way all your stitches through the front loop, but those double stitches will be knitted through the back loop right here. So I'm knitting them through the back loop together like that. See how it's a really perfect stitch and resembles all other stitches around it. So here's another one, and I'm going to knit it through the back loop like that, and continue to knit through the front loop as usual. Let me show you how it looks. So it's really hard even to see where the short rows turns were. It's really right here and right here that we made, and that's how it looks. Now let me look on the other side, how you would do it on the purl side. It's the same thing. You purl to a certain place where you want to turn around. Supposedly you want to do it right here. So when you purl and don't put it right away in the needle. Put it through the back like this. Turn around and knit regular way. See, that's where we made two loops here. And I'm going to do it one more time. So let's knit to a certain place where we want to put to turn around. Supposedly you want to do it right here. So you purl and put it through the back loop, turn around and knit. Now I'm going to show you how I pick that up. And purl side is much easier than even the knit side, because you don't do anything, absolutely anything at all. You just knit all regular ways you stitches, except you purl two together, our double stitches right here. You just purl them together. And right here another one, you purl them together. Like that. Let me show you how it looks. Right here. On the purl side, it's the same thing. It's so tight you can't even tell which one was purled. Honestly, I can't even tell right now which stitch was doubled unless I pull the fabric apart to see. But this method looks very neat to me, and I love to using it. Hopefully you can find it very useful for your garments. And this is how it looks from the back side. See, we have some, you know, little bumps that shows that we did something to the fabric, but not too bad. So right there. Well, thank you for watching.